In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a document on Lucidchart. If you've ever found yourself struggling to navigate this process, you've come to the right place. Let's begin by heading over to the Lucid website. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the login option, typically found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to proceed. Next, you might notice several options for signing in. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll select the Sign Up with Google option. This will allow you to use your Google account for a quick and hassle-free login experience. Make sure you're signed in to your preferred Google account beforehand, or you'll be prompted to do so here. After choosing your account, you'll be directed to the Lucidchart dashboard. This space is where all your documents are accessible. You'll see a variety of files, but what you want to do is click on Open to access the specific document you want to print. This will bring up your selected Lucidchart document in full view. With your document open, it's time to navigate to the printing options. Begin by clicking on the File menu. This menu can be found in the upper left corner and provides a host of options related to document management, including printing. Once you've clicked there, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Look for and select the Print option. Before printing, it's essential to configure your print settings to match your specific needs. You can start by adjusting the size of your document. Lucidchart generally offers different size options such as letter, A4, and A3. Depending on your printer and the requirements of your task, choose a size that suits you best. Another key setting to consider is the orientation of your document. You have the flexibility to switch between portrait and landscape modes. Portrait is great for text-heavy documents, whereas landscape might better suit designs, charts, or graphics. Choose the orientation that complements the content of your document effectively. Once you've tailored the size and orientation to your liking, it's time for the final step in this process. Now simply click on the Print button. This action will send your document to the printer, and in just a few moments, a physical copy will be in your hands. Printing a document with Lucidchart can become a quick and straightforward task once you're familiar with these steps. With this guide, you should feel confident navigating the platform and printing your documents with ease. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks. Enjoy creating and printing with Lucidchart.